In this video, I'm going to show you how to export contacts from Klaviyo. To start, log into your Klaviyo account, and once you're on the home page, navigate to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the Audience option and click on it. This will expand a submenu where you should select Lists and Segments. After clicking, you'll see all of your lists displayed on the main screen. Find the list that contains the contacts you want to export and click on it. This will open up the list, showing all the contacts inside it. Now, move to the upper right-hand side of the screen and click on the Manage List option. From the drop-down, select Export List to CSV. A window will appear, allowing you to choose which data you want to include in your export. If you've collected multiple pieces of information like email, first name, last name, or organization, you can check the boxes for each of these fields. In this example, I've only captured email addresses, so I'll just check the email box. After making your selections, click on Start Export. Once your export is processed, return to the Lists and Segments page, go back into the same list, and click Manage List again. This time, choose View My Exports. Here, you'll see your new export along with any previous ones. Wait for your current export to complete processing. When it's ready, a download option will appear. Click on it, and an Excel file containing all your selected contact information will download to your device. Open this file and you'll see your data neatly organized. Since I only selected emails, that's the information displayed. This is exactly how you can export your contacts from Klaviyo.